Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Terms and Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to discuss about topic called dispatching. Of course, it nothing to do with logistic and physical dispatch of material. This is one form of a scheduling process inside an organization for manufacturing the product. It is the selecting and sequencing of available jobs to be run at the individual workstation and the assignment of those jobs to the worker. So it is one of the scheduling process which is usually taken care by PPC or PAC, Production Activity Control Team, in day-to-day operational activity. Okay, in execution, you may see there may be lot of scheduling issues. Maybe machine is down, operator not available, or material not available. But the planner is supposed to make a tentative schedule and dispatch or issue to the shop floor. This is a SAP or ERP term and nothing to do with physical dispatching. I feel there is some confusion with people. This dispatching means releasing and arranging the order or sequencing the order inside the manufacturing plant. Thanks for watching. Bye.